Welcome to 7 Days of English, your daily English routine. Today is Tuesday, Health and Wellness. Let's learn 7 useful phrases to explain your symptoms at the doctor's office. Listen and repeat after each sentence. I don't feel well. Repeat. I don't feel well. I have a headache. Repeat. I have a headache. You can also say I have a sore throat, a stomach ache, or back pain. I've been coughing a lot. Repeat. I've been coughing a lot. I feel dizzy and weak. Repeat. I feel dizzy and weak. I've had a fever since yesterday. Repeat. I've had a fever since yesterday. It hurts when I swallow. Repeat. It hurts when I swallow. I'm allergic to penicillin. Repeat. I'm allergic to penicillin. Well done. Practice these phrases again whenever you need to visit a doctor. Repeat them out loud to feel more confident. Subscribe and come back tomorrow for more real English. Take care and see you soon.